Welcome guys to this very special edition of Diamond NestEgg as we report with a breaking update on the next stimulus package. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell announced late Sunday night on December 20th, 2020 that the Senate and the House, after months of failed negotiations, have finalized the next stimulus package of approximately nearly $1 trillion of economic relief for the American people. According to McConnell, what remains to be done is for lawmakers to simply promptly finalize text and avoid any last-minute obstacles. But this is the closest that they've gotten to an agreement, and it's looking pretty much like a done deal at this point, with some fine-tuning. We'll be giving you the latest updates on this channel as they come out, so definitely hit the subscribe button to stay abreast of how this newest stimulus package will be impacting your bank account. So first, stimulus checks. This coronavirus relief package will provide stimulus checks worth $600 per person, including adults and children, meaning a family of four could receive $2,400 up to certain income limits. According to unidentified sources close to the negotiations who agreed to speak on the condition of anonymity, the income thresholds for stimulus checks would be similar to those in the first round of stimulus payments sent out earlier this year. This means that the amount received would be reduced for people who earned more than $75,000 in the 2019 tax year, and those earning more than $99,000 would not receive a stimulus check at all. And as with the last round, adult dependents should not expect to receive a stimulus check. Again, according to those close to the negotiations, unemployment benefits of up to $300 per week will also be extended and would cover up to 11 weeks of unemployment, at least through March 14th, 2021. This latest bill will also temporarily keep in place programs implemented during the pandemic that expand unemployment insurance eligibility. So, for example, unemployment benefits for contract and gig economy workers. These were also set to expire at the end of this year, but now they will be extended for another 11 weeks through to March 14th, 2021. Listen, guys, so much of this was expected to expire on December 26th, leaving 12 million people without unemployment benefits. So this is a major milestone. In addition, this latest agreement will extend a moratorium on evictions for one more month. This moratorium is set to expire at the end of the year again, but will now be extended through January 2021 and possibly longer once the next administration comes in, although this has not yet been confirmed. About $25 billion in additional emergency assistance to renters is also planned. But again, it's not yet clear how this piece of the program will be implemented. There's still a lot of things that they need to put into place. And in terms of small business assistance, this latest economic relief program is expected to allocate at least $300 billion towards helping small businesses, which is to include additional Paycheck Protection Program loans. And finally, about $30 billion will be put towards procurement and distribution of vaccines, with additional relief anticipated for hospitals and possibly also education and transportation. For those of you with federal student loans that work with us, you already know that your interest and payment moratorium is now expected to end at the end of January 2021. There has been no indication if this latest stimulus package will further address student loans, but definitely know that student loans are a hot topic of debate for both Democrats and Republicans. So stay tuned with us for more developments on this topic. Keep in mind, though, while both parties have agreed on all these major points, and it's a significant agreement, the final text on this legislation is still being finalized. This is the information that we have so far, and we will update you as soon as we get updates. So smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell for the latest updates on this new stimulus package that will hopefully be a holiday blessing for many. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up as well.